How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Streamfire application to your Firestick or Android TV. It's an amazing app that you can use to watch live TV as well as live sports free of charge. And without any further ado, the first step you gotta take is get the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can actually get Downloader totally free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. To do so, we'll have to go to search on your Firestick. Here it is. Let's open the search bar. And now let's start typing Downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it. And now here's the app that you need to get to your Firestick device. But after you get Downloader, it's not over yet because you still have to set it up. So now in order to actually set up Downloader on your Firestick, you have to go to Settings by clicking on that button with a gear icon. Then you scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open it. And now when it opens, what you gotta do here is turn on the developer options on your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. You just have to go to About, and then select Fire TV Stick, and now you gotta start clicking on the middle button on your remote, and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need. You are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options, which now have popped out for us right here. Let's open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then you have to go to install on apps, open them, and now from here, what you have to do is locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. And now finally, let's go to the list of apps on your Firestick device. Here it is, we'll open the list. And there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Firestick. But before actually using Downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN. Because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Singapore right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So you go straight to the list of apps on your device, you'll open it, and then go to Downloader. So open the Downloader as well. And now when the app loads, what you have to do in here is pretty simple. You just open that search bar, and now we need to start entering the code, which is going to be 628932. So once again, the code is 628932. That's the whole code that you have to enter. So just enter it as you see, and do not make any mistakes, because obviously if you make a mistake, then the code is not going to work. After that, you have to click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel. so you would get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot, and that way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now in a couple of moments the download of Streamfire is going to start. That's right, here it is. So usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. Now, after the app was downloaded, you also have to click on install, and now make sure that the app gets installed to your Firestick. After that, don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you have an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So just click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now if you go to the list of apps on your device, which is here, right here, you will open it, and now here's the Streamfire app which we downloaded. Now I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines. So click on it and then press on move to front. This way the app is always going to be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's going to be pretty easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. Then feel free to open the Streamfire application, and from here you'll get access to hundreds of live TV as well as live sports channels. And it is of course free of charge. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.